morning, children. Just you were listening a song, Nani Teri Morni Ko Mor Le Gaye. In this song, there are two words, Mor and Morni. Mor is male and Morni is female. The male and female is denoted by gender. So today we shall study gender. Gender denotes the sex of noun. Gender has four kinds: masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender and neuter gender. Masculine, it denotes the male group of noun. For example, boy, father, uncle, husband, king. These denotes male group, so these are masculine. Number 2 is feminine. It denotes female group of noun like girl, mother, sister, wife, queen. These words denote female, so these are feminine genders. Number 3 is common gender. Common gender denotes both male and female groups of noun like child, baby, doctor, engineer, friend. These words denote both, so these are common genders. And fourth one is neuter gender. It denotes non-living things and tiny creatures like book, pen, pencil, table, chair, etc. Actually, there are four kinds of gender: masculine, feminine, common and neuter. But there are some words which have masculine and feminine form. So today we shall study ways of forming feminine. How do we form feminine gender? Number 1, by a change of word. Sometimes we change a word and it becomes masculine to feminine, like brother becomes sister, brother is masculine and sister is feminine. Bull or ox, it changes into cow, cock, hen. Feminine of dog is bitch, dog, bitch. Gender goose. Husband changes into wife. Female of boy is girl. Buck becomes doe. Boar, show, drake, duck, monk, nun, nephew, niece, bachelor, spinster. There are some more words like colt, filly, father, mother. Horse becomes mare. Feminine of papa is mama. Sir becomes madam. Female of uncle is aunt. King changes into queen. In the same way, man, woman, son, daughter, drawn, bee, gentleman, lady, ram, you. Sometimes students commit a mistake. They think this is Ram and they write the feminine Sita. When ram is given, you should write you. Wizard, witch. So these are the words which are made feminine by a change of word. Now we should come to rule number 2. By changing the masculine noun into feminine. Sometimes we change masculine noun into feminine noun and thus feminine form is made, like bull calf becomes cow calf. He got becomes she got. Feminine of man servant is maid servant. Grand uncle becomes grand aunt. Washerman changes into washerwoman. Buck rabbit, doe rabbit. Peacock, peahen. Grandfather changes into grandmother. Landlord changes into landlady. Jackass becomes CS. There is also one more feminine of jackass, that is genius. So jackass has two feminine, CS and genius. Number 3. By adding ESS. Sometimes we add ESS in words and it becomes masculine to feminine. Like lion, lion becomes lioness. Poet, poetess. Priest, priestess. Host, hostess. Author, authoress. Prince, princess. God, goddess. One thing you should see, in prince we don't write double E. PRINCESS, princess. And God, goddess. Spelling of goddess is GODDESS. It means D is repeated there in goddess. There are some more words which are made by adding ESS, but in these words a vowel is removed, like actor, actress. You should see in actress O is removed here. Tiger, tigress. E has been removed here. Hunter, huntress. In this also E is removed. Waiter, waitress. O is removed. Director, directress. O is removed here. The feminine of Negro becomes negress and feminine of master is mistress. We have one more rule. There are some words which are made feminine in exceptional way or irregular way. I am giving the example of those words. Hero is masculine and heroine is its feminine. Jar becomes Jarina, CZARINA, Jar, Jarina. Administrator, administratrix. Sultan, sultana. Emperor, empress. You should see the spelling of empress, EMPRESS. Lad, less. Master, mistress. When master word is used for teacher, its feminine is mistress. But master is also used for little boy. That time its feminine is miss. Master, miss. For boy, if master comes, that time girl, for girl, miss is used. Mr., Mrs. Bridegroom becomes bride. Widower becomes widow. And fox becomes vixen. It means feminine of fox is vixen. Today we have studied some rules to form feminine gender. Thank you. Have a nice day.